Section 1. Demystifying AI. It's not rocket science yet. Artificial intelligence. It sounds complex, even intimidating, right? The term itself conjures images of futuristic robots, complex algorithms, and a world where machines outsmart humans. But let's take a step back and break it down. But what if I told you it's simpler than you think? AI, at its essence, is about creating systems that can perform tasks that would normally require human intelligence. This includes things like understanding natural language, recognizing patterns, and making decisions. At its core, AI is about teaching machines to learn from data, just like we humans do. Think of it as a learning process, where machines are trained to understand and interpret data, enabling them to perform tasks without explicit instructions. Imagine teaching a child to identify a cat. You'd show them pictures, point out features like whiskers and a tail, and eventually, they'd learn to recognize a cat on their own. This is similar to how AI learns, but instead of a child, it's a machine. And instead of a few pictures, it processes thousands or even millions of images. AI works similarly. We feed machines massive amounts of data and use special algorithms to help them identify patterns and make decisions. These algorithms are designed to learn from the data, improving their performance over time as they are exposed to more information. It's like giving the machine a giant picture book of cats and letting it figure out what makes a cat a cat. The more data it processes, the better it becomes at recognizing the patterns that define a cat. These algorithms are the secret sauce of AI, allowing machines to mimic human-like intelligence, albeit in a more limited and focused way. They enable machines to perform tasks such as image recognition, language translation, and even playing complex games like chess and Go. The applications of AI are already all around us. From the personalized recommendations you see on Netflix to the voice assistants like Siri and Alexa, AI is transforming the way we live, work, and interact with the world. It's in our smartphones, our cars, and even in our homes, making our lives more convenient and efficient. And the best part? You don't need to be a mathematical genius or a coding wizard to delve into the fascinating world of AI. There are numerous resources available that make it accessible to everyone, regardless of their technical background. With the right tools and a sprinkle of curiosity, you can build your own AI models and embark on a rewarding journey of discovery. There are platforms and software that provide user-friendly interfaces, allowing you to experiment with AI without needing to write complex code. So buckle up and get ready to unlock the power of AI, one line of code at a time. Whether you're interested in creating chatbots, developing recommendation systems, or exploring the possibilities of autonomous vehicles, the world of AI is at your fingertips. The future awaits, and it's brimming with exciting possibilities. As AI continues to evolve, it will open up new avenues for innovation and creativity, transforming industries and shaping the future in ways we can only begin to imagine. So why not be a part of this incredible journey and see where it takes you? Section 2. AI Models. The brains behind the machine. At the heart of every AI system lies an AI model. Think of it as the brain of your AI, the engine that drives its intelligence. These models are built using complex mathematical algorithms that enable machines to learn from data and make predictions or decisions. It's like giving your AI a set of rules and guidelines to navigate the world of information. There are different types of AI models, each suited for specific tasks. Some models excel at image recognition, while others are masters of language processing. The choice of model depends on the problem you're trying to solve and the kind of data you have at your disposal. Imagine you want to build an AI that can distinguish between different types of flowers. You'd need to train an image recognition model by feeding it thousands of images of flowers, each labeled with its correct species. As the model processes these images, it learns to identify the unique features that differentiate a rose from a lily or a sunflower. The more data you feed your model, the better it becomes at making accurate predictions. It's like honing a skill through practice. The more the model trains, the sharper its intelligence becomes. Building and training AI models is a fascinating process of trial and error, experimentation, and discovery. Section 3. Choosing your AI toolkit, TensorFlow or PyTorch. Now that you understand the basics of AI models, let's talk about the tools you need to build your own. Two of the most popular and powerful frameworks for creating AI models are TensorFlow and PyTorch. These open-source libraries provide a comprehensive set of tools and resources to simplify your AI journey. TensorFlow, developed by Google, is known for its scalability and efficiency. It's like a robust and versatile toolbox that can handle massive datasets and complex AI models. PyTorch, developed by Facebook, is praised for its flexibility and ease of use. It's like a user-friendly workshop, perfect for beginners and rapid prototyping. Choosing between TensorFlow and PyTorch is like picking the right tool for the job. If you're dealing with large datasets and need high performance, TensorFlow might be the better choice. If you're just starting out and prefer a more intuitive approach, PyTorch could be your ideal companion. Both frameworks are constantly evolving, with new features and improvements being added regularly. The good news is that you can't go wrong with either choice. Both TensorFlow and PyTorch offer a wealth of resources, tutorials, and a vibrant community to support you on your AI adventure. Section 4. Setting up your AI workshop, a practical guide. Before you dive into the exciting world of AI model building, you need to set up your workspace. Don't worry, it's easier than you think. You don't need a fancy lab or expensive equipment. All you need is a computer with an internet connection and a sprinkle of enthusiasm. The first step is to choose your preferred framework, TensorFlow or PyTorch. Once you've made your choice, you can download and install the necessary software on your computer. Both frameworks offer detailed installation guides on their websites, making the process smooth and straightforward. Next, you'll need a code editor, a digital canvas where you'll write and edit your AI code. Popular choices include Visual Studio Code, Atom, and Sublime Text. These editors offer a user-friendly interface and helpful features like syntax highlighting and code completion, making your coding experience more enjoyable. Finally, it's time to install Python, the programming language that powers both TensorFlow and PyTorch. Python is known for its readability and simplicity, making it an ideal choice for beginners. With your workspace set up and your tools ready, you're all set to embark on your AI adventure.